Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your iPhone has been getting a little too hard to handle, you're not alone. Overheating can a major issue, especially when it starts affecting performance and even causing your device to shut down. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cool down your iPhone and keep it running smoothly. Let's dive in it. And the first step is close resource heavy apps. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause in the middle to bring up the app switcher. Then swipe up on the apps you want to close. For iPhones with a home button, double click on the home button and swipe up on the apps. And the second step is avoid direct sunlight and hot environment. If you're out and about, keep your iPhone in the shade or in a bag when not in use, and never leave it in a parked car. Third option is turn off unnecessary features. Features like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and GPS can contribute to overheating if they are running constantly, especially if you're not using them. After doing this, if you notice your phone is heating up, take it out of its case for a few minutes to help it cool down. As we all know, while your case protects your iPhone, but it can heat your iPhone. And the next step is update iOS and apps. Outdated software can cause performance issues, including so go to settings and then go to general and click on software update, and please update your software version. If you are using an old version, it can be heated your phone. After doing that, go back, and the next step is restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often solve minor software glitches that may be causing your iPhone to overheat. And the next step is check for background activity. Sometimes apps running in the background can cause your iPhone to overheat without realizing it. So it can be overheating problem. First of all, to fix this problem, go to settings and then go to battery. Click on battery, and if an app is draining your battery in the background, consider limiting its background activity or uninstalling it. After fixing that, go back, and the next step is disable background app refresh. Background app refresh allows apps to update and content when you are not using them, but it can also contribute to overheating. For this, go to the settings and then go to the general. Click on general and background app refresh. As you can see, my background app refresh is already off. If yours is on, go to the background app refresh and click on off. It off completely or selectively disable it for certain apps. After doing this, go back, and the ninth step is, and the last step is, reset all settings. If none of the above stops work, repeating all things can be resolved software issues that might be causing overheating. For this, go to the settings and go to the general. Click on general. After things, scroll down, and there is reset all settings. Reset, and then click on reset. Resetting all. Reset all. Click on that, and as you can see, reset all. And that is how you can fix overheating issues on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumb up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Have you experienced any other iPhone problem? Let me know in the comments below, and I might cover them in next video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next video.